Hello everyone. Today, we're looking at footage showing how terrifying and unpredictable Mother Nature can be when it gets angry and unleashes its true powers. Stay with us till the end and tell us which clip amazed you the most. Who said lightning doesn't strike the same place twice? That pole got charged for an entire year.
What? Oh, that's a bright one.
That's how fearsome a volcanic eruption looks like. Do you still feel like messing with Mother Nature?
Crazy. It's so sad.
You thought you'd be safer if you moved away from volcanoes and lived near the coast? Think again.
Hey, oh, thanks. Come!
Sometimes all you need's a little luck on your side to save yourself from nature's wrath.
Police and prosecutors. The two suspects were arrested in the Turkish capital. Terror threat elevated. Security is high in Turkey's major cities and were arrested in police raids this week in and around Brussels.
No parking brakes are going to help your car in a flood situation.
You can see cars stuck, big trucks even. I'm not going any further. This is too deep. I don't trust it. I don't know, it gets even deeper. The speaker is definitely underwater. Oh, look at this wave.
Slow down, man. Slow down.
Yeah, you know, people.
This truck driver's quick thinking and fast reflexes saved them as a mountainside collapses.
О, fy fan! Måste jag...
Так, вперед, все лопаты и вперед! Все лопаты вперед!
Fy fan.
There's just something very thrilling about going out during strong winds.
We finna go to CP.
Let's go!
Here's some chilling footage of Storm Fionn when it hit Ireland and its surrounding areas.
See, I know. Look, Jesus Christ.
They're coming everywhere. Whoa!
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Look at this, little woman.
Where? Huh? Oh Jesus.
So apparently I got a package last night.
And now?
I can't get to it. It's completely frozen.
Well, at least the package won't get stolen. Note to self, never stand this close to falling ice chunks. These brave firefighters drove their way out of a burning forest during the California wildfire. This looks like a clip from a video game.
Yeah. Go. Holy, dude. Oh my god.
Boulders are not to be messed with, folks. They don't care what they pummel through.
कमरे से भी आए क्या बच्चे फंस
These guys had it rough inside their car when they got caught in a dangerous hailstone storm.
Oh, I'm sorry. Well, somebody else.
A little further up would be better.
All right, I'll do that.
Like the hail is a little bit better, like 200 meters up.
A sandstorm like this only looks good in a Mission Impossible movie. Dust devils look really cool from a safe distance, don't they? Just don't ever go near one. You know what else looks really cool when looked at from afar? An erupting volcano. This isn't a volcano, by the way. That's just the sun's reflection hitting a mountaintop. Looks cool, doesn't it? If you ever spot a giant snowball of certain doom rolling towards you, start running the other way as fast as you can. Witness the might of Mother Nature through the footage of Storm Gertrude captured by these sailors back in 2016.
What? Look! Oh, look! Oh my God! Did you see?
That's not magic, folks, but a wonder caused by electrified clouds. We want to roam around with funny hair too.
看这个现象，看这个现象。
啊，就是有这样，你看，库姆塔格沙漠奇怪的现象，你看。
Getting swarmed by a flood of desert grasshoppers has to be the most creepy thing you'll see today.
Oh, impresionante esta weá, ¿Cómo te ves? Oh, loco. Menos mal que no íbamos bajando. Ahí está, Shisho.
We bring you footage from Hawaii, where tourists spotted lava as it poured into the ocean. That looks magical.
Good one. Down.
This horrifying earthquake footage is from the Philippines. Bet these people regret showing up to work that day.
Duck lang, sunod. Tako lang nag-akilitan ko lang. Hoy, di daw magpanik. Relax, di magpanik.
Ladies and gentlemen, here's more proof that shows you just how scary and dangerous avalanches are. This guy came with his luck stat maxed out that day.
Madre mía, chaval.
You're witnessing the birth of a volcano in Iceland. Some say Mother Nature was quite angry that day. Talk about breaking the ice. What a sight to behold. Things get pretty chaotic in England during the snowy season.
Oh, for God. No, don't get out! Oh my God. Watch it, guys, watch it! Oh!
Sophie, yeah.
This guy might have celebrated a bit too early. Nature knew how to keep him humble, though.
Hey!
Ada kamera kah?
Ada.
Shovels.
Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh God!
That poor boat didn't stand a chance against 30-meter high waves. Okay, this straight up looks like a scene from a horror movie.
Как я вовремя-то?
You're watching footage of the 2014 flash floodings in Prague. You can't do anything when nature decides to turn things up a notch.
Мужики. Красава. Они изнутри сейчас лакают тоже. Да ну нахуй.
Do you think they enjoyed that wave smack? Is this what my $2 AliExpress order goes through before it reaches my doorstep? That's a cool looking house for sure.
Great ice.
Ah yes, a house being swept along the Yellowstone River. Just another day.
Just sit down.
Oh, it's gonna get hot over there, isn't it?
We saw that and we thought, oh man, what?
Jesus. You can hear the smoke alarm going off.
Jesus.
How would you react if you saw a massive water sprout heading your way? Well, that's enough of Mother Nature's fury for today. We hope you enjoyed this video and have subscribed with notifications turned on for more every week.